Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
Alright guys, well, we're cruising on Route 287, North Jersey, and I was given a mile marker, and I just talked to the foreman out here, told me to come on down, and we're loading barrier off of this right-hand shoulder. I don't know what they're loading me with. I don't know if there's other trucks here. I don't know anything. It was a late start. They couldn't shut the road down until 10 o'clock, so I've been here waiting for a little bit, maybe a half hour. So, but it should be a very easy deal. I'm going to get these barriers and just take them back with me to our yard for the day. And tomorrow I'm delivering them somewhere else. So, I don't know yet if I'm going to just make it one video, or will this be its own video and then tomorrow be another. Depends on what I get into and what I do. I have a couple ideas in mind, but just haven't decided yet. Otherwise, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Today is Tuesday. Saturday I played with the R700. You guys watched that foot valve failure there yesterday, I guess. And here we are. Yesterday I had a slower day. I went and dropped some stuff off upstate New York, but really wasn't nothing to film. It was dark going up there, all highway, and then I just flew right on back. I mean, there was just nothing really to film. And yeah, I could have went farther out of my way and filmed something on how to shift or different things, but I don't know. I had other things going on and I was kind of rushing home, so it's all good. But I think we're coming up on them here in a minute. I don't know. Closed in a half a mile. Okay, so that's good. Throw the strobes on and see if I can slow traffic down a little bit to help me out. So this guy, oh, come on with that. I may have been a little quick on that one, but this guy gave me the go-ahead. He told me to pull in after something. I couldn't hear what he said, to be honest. I thought he said the name of the machine or something. I don't know. I'd imagine I'm going to have to back up to whatever it is. On that one a little bit. I don't know if this guy's moving cones or what. Yeah. Man, you got me messing up shifting here, pal. So I'm guessing this is the plan. You beep the horn for me to stop. Let me get my dunnage figured out, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, well I know the trailer camera was still running, so you got to see you know, that whole process go down. I didn't get to change the battery because kind of like got to get out of the way here. So it'll run for whatever much longer it's got in it, and that'll be it for that footage, that angle for you guys. But pretty easy deal, not bad. And now I just got to flip around and head the other way. Definitely a full load. We're weighing in somewhere around 75,000 to 80,000. It is beautiful outside though. Nice and warm. It says no outlet to my right. I can't imagine there's much traffic. Wasn't fast enough. Oh, too soon, Junior. What? I was slowing myself down with the brake pedal a lot more than I thought. At this one. No need to run it. Swung it like I had a big trailer. Oh, look at this guy. Real genius. You're gonna need another handicap van. You keep pulling moves like that. Unreal. Kind of had to bring that one back up there after that. A little jig there. sorry. It's that wall to my left. It just makes it very nice. Something I do got to keep an eye on is the strap that's on that dunnage in the front. Whoa, easy now. I didn't love the way it was gripping the front of the trailer, but I think it's going to work pretty well. Just got to keep an eye on it. Finally off the highway, and I was noticing, you know, a couple streets to get me here, I could give it a little more on the low end because of the weight of the load. It was smoking a lot, which is pretty cool. Yeah, usually on the low side I have to really baby it just because it climbs the RPM too fast, and you know, you start getting that crazy rock in the truck because all the torque and everything. But with the load, it's been fun. I could give it a little more throttle, stretch her legs a little bit more. Who's beeping? See, like I have to baby it, but I could, you know, like third gear, maybe give it a little bit. Oh. Split the fourth. Too quick. Just made that happen. A little quick on the pull out there. This thing runs really good, gotta say. So I think I need to stop talking about it and actually do it. And what I'm talking about there is, you know, talking about how to shift these things and all that stuff. So I'm gonna get batteries for my little flashlight for the GoPro, so I can put it down underneath, put it on my foot, because the throttle control, in my opinion, is a very big deal, and it's something that needs to be, you know, understood if you're gonna try to be smooth, you know, and I don't want to say like a good truck driver, because there's a lot of other things that kind of play into that, but just, you know, if you want to be good at shifting, you know, and control, it's all in the throttle, really. Like the hand part of it, yeah, don't get me wrong, this plays a you know, a good part as well, but the throttle might be more important to me. That's how I think so, because if you're rough on that throttle, I mean, you're pulling the front wheels off the ground, and that's the first, like when I watch trucks drive around everywhere I go all the time, like in my car, it doesn't matter, whatever I'm doing, I'm watching guys leave red lights. And when it's like, whoa, 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 it's like, why? Like, what are you doing? Why? It does not have to be like that, you know? I can accelerate just as fast as you, if not faster, but a lot smoother. And not only does it look better, it's insanely, you know, different on the truck. The abuse that you put the driveline through is ridiculous. You know, you're wiping out U-joints, potentially could break the transmission or the rear or the drive shaft, anything. It's really bad. Axles, I mean, it's bad. So, smooth is ideal. That's why I baby it on the low side. I'd love to just hammer through them, but I can't bring myself to do that. That was embarrassing. I might not even put that in there. That was so bad. Oh, disgusted with myself. Ugh. Wasn't even that serious. I was just trying to go for it for the camera's sake, and I blew it. Oh. Oh. Ugh. So bad. Ah. Oh. Ew. Don't ever do that again. Horrible. All right, we got a nice little uphill here, so this will be satisfying. Look at this guy. You're lucky you're empty, cowboy. Man, I'd like to run him down. You suck, faking me out. Well, I think that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, in the next one, we're definitely going to get into shifting and stuff. So stay tuned, and see you guys in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.